Let's say we have a seller who is based in South Africa, and the seller is shipping some goods all the way to a buyer in Australia. And the conditions is cost, insurance, and freight. So for my Incoterms enthusiast, this is short for CIF. So the deal is this. Once the goods reach the port of destination in Australia, the goods or the risk and rewards that are associated with the goods are transferred to the buyer in Australia. And let's say the date is 1st of June 2025. Now, what happens on the 1st of June 2025? The seller records a receivable and the exchange rate is 1 Australian dollars to 8 South African rand. And the invoice value is 1,000 Australian dollars. Let's do the conversion. 1,000 multiplied by 8. So the equivalent in South African rand is 8,000. But remember, we are on the 1st of June 2025. Fast forward 30th June 2025. Let's say this is the end of the financial period for the seller. So we have to translate the balances. The exchange rate has now moved to 1 Australian dollars is equivalent to 9 South African rand. So the deal here is this. The new amount is now 9,000 South African rand. 1,000 multiplied by 9. Now, without doing anything, the seller has realized what is known as an exchange gain. So this is our seller, and probably this is the reason why he is smiling. The seller, based in South Africa, realizes a foreign exchange gain on 30th of June 2025. Now, for my double entry enthusiast, we debit receivables by 1,000 Rand and we credit foreign exchange gain 1,000 Rand. There you go. I will see you in the next one.